Good morning or good afternoon, whatever time it is at your place. I'm Eric Backer, the naturopath from New Zealand. Thanks for coming back. The product which we've created called C3K Plus, is that going to be good in baking? Are you going to get any added benefits by adding it to baking or cooking? I don't think you will, because you're heating it up. And also bear in mind that this is a water soluble product predominantly. It's got a bit of vitamin E in it, but you don't really want to take it up to 200 centigrade or 180 or whatever I don't know what the Fahrenheit is, but you don't really want to heat it up. You're best to take it just neat in water or juice or a smoothie, or as I've said before, for children, freeze it so you can make like a little ice cream out of it, icy pole. That's not a problem, but don't heat it up. It's not a good idea. Thanks for tuning in.